What's going on, guys? Dale King here and my wife. We are going to be opening up two new packs that we got from Walmart. Both blister packs. They both come with pins. Got a Zapdos pin, and I couldn't even tell you which one that one is, but we are going to get right into this and open these 6 packs. In this pack we got Steam Siege, 2 Steam Sieges, and 1 Breakthrough.
I'll open that one.
Having troubles?
Yep, got it.
Other way. And don't bend them.
Okay.
So we got a Steelix Spirit Link, a Shieldon, Zweilous, Poniard, Tangela, Joltik, Larvesta, Rufflet, a reverse Joltik, and can't even see it up here. A Volcanion EX full art card. We are starting this pack off very strong. Look at that. So what's next? We'll open up another Steam Siege pack. Got that pretty little Zapdos pin in the background. Another Steelix Spirit Link. Man, we're starting this pack off the same way we did the last one. Persian, Sneasel, Yanma, Apom, Clauncher, Fletchling, and a Yveltal break card. Man, we are having lucky pulls today. And then a Toxicroak non-holographic rare. Last pack in this blister pack is a Breakthrough. Or is it Breakpoint? Breakthrough. Got a Floette, a Houndoom Spirit Link, a Float Stone, a Snooble, Remoraid, Doduo, Piplup, Hippopotamus or something, Reverse Spritzy, and a Cresselia non-hollow. Or is it hollow? Non-hollow. Well, we got 2 out of 3. That's not bad. On to the next blister pack. So the next pack we're going to open is Evolutions. Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, a Switch, Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, a reverse Nidoran male, and an Electrode non-holographic. Next pack we're going to be opening up is Sun and Moon. I think. Yeah. So got an energy card, Professor Kukui, Energy Switch, Golbat, Sandygast, Poliwag, Skarmory, Morlul, Fomantis, Reverse Oranguru, Oranguru, is that a rare? Yeah, it's a reverse rare. And then we got a Primarina GX. Look at that.
It's pretty.
It is really pretty. Alright, last pack. Last pack we will be opening up for this video is a Steam Siege pack. Hopefully we can get another good luck, or a good pack. Got a Holucha, Anorith, Persian, Yanma, Mankey, Manatine, Sneasel, a Hoppip, a reverse Nidoran, right? That's a reverse.
Mm-hmm.
Reverse Nidoran male looking all mischievous. It's the second one we got, except different artwork. And then, what's this one? A Spiritomb non-holo card. Not too bad. We did end up pulling this Volcanion full art, Yveltal break card, and a Primarina GX card. Let us know in the comments below which one of these three cards you like the most. And as always, be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you did like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content in the future, and we will see you in the next video.